In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of how to invite your teammates to your Overflow organization, assign them roles, and update their folder access rights. The hub for most of these actions is the People page of your Overflow dashboard. You can reach it by clicking on your user avatar in the top right corner of the dashboard and choose People from the menu. If you created a new Overflow organization, you're automatically assigned the role of owner. Each organization has only one owner who can manage people, folders, shares, billing, and other organization details. You can add new members to your organization by clicking on Invite People. In the modal that appears, you can see how many paid seats are still available. Type the email addresses of the people you want to invite and hit the Send Invites button when ready. Once your peers and colleagues accept your email invitation, they'll be added to your organization as contributors by default. Contributors are allowed to create new folders and share links and can be granted access to other selected team folders. You can also promote a user to admin from the People page. Click on the three dots next to their profile and select Change Role from the drop-down menu. By promoting a user to admin, you allow them to manage all team folders and people roles. To edit the access rights of users to your organization's folders, go back to your dashboard's main page. Select any folder from the column on the left, and you'll see a share icon appear at the top right corner of the screen. You can either start from there or right-click on any folder and click Share from the options that appear to open the Share folder modal. You have the option to share folders with individual users or even everyone in your organization at once. Simply click on the input bar, and a list of possible options will appear for you to choose from. Keep in mind, if you select to share your folder with the Everyone group, all new users added to the organization in the future will also automatically gain access to the folder. Lastly, as the owner of a folder, you have the option to allow or restrict folder editors from providing access to more users. You can do so in the Settings tab by using the toggle switch.